bills and expensive solar panels? Retail solar panel systems can cost over $20,000 per installation, making them unaffordable for many families. Building solar panel systems may seem complex, but it doesn't have to be. Don't let confusing diagrams and technical jargon discourage you. Introducing the solution, going solar with the right blueprint. It simplifies the process and provides easy-to-follow instructions. No more overwhelming courses or complicated books. Going solar can be accessible and straightforward for anyone. Imagine simplified solar panel designs and step-by-step guidance. Going solar is within your reach. Join the satisfied homeowners who have embraced going solar. Take control of your energy needs and reduce your bills. Don't let the high cost and complexity of retail solar panel systems hold you back. Discover the ease of going solar with the right blueprint.